So in morning class we already seen the aneurysms. So it is a pictorial representation. So I had shown in the pictorial representation. So theoretical part you had seen over there. So with pictures I have drawn like this. So aneurysm means it is an aneurysm. It is an aneurysm and dissection. Aneurysm is a localized abnormal permanent dilatation of the blood vessels. So like that it will be a abnormal dilatation of the permanent dilatation of the blood vessel. That is, it has a grossly, it is like classification according to the gross appearance, composition, etiology and location. It has been divided. So this is a normal. It composed of intima, media and adventitia. So first one is a fusiform. So fusiform, you see it is how it is, ovoid shape. So they will become the ovoid shape. All the intima, media and adventitia will become the ovoid shape. The saccular aneurysm, it is having a spherical outpouch. So in one portion it is having a spherical outpouching. So all these three layers will be outpouching. And then one more thing is a cylindrical aneurysm. So cylindrical aneurysm, see the parallelly in cylinder shape the aneurysm has been formed. And one more thing is an hematoma, dissection hematoma. In this what will be happening, here the this tear will be seen in the intima, tunica intima. So here you are seeing, no, here tear will be seen in the tunica intima. The blood will be seen over here. So blood will be seen in the vessels. So that is the blood with can be seen, formation of the hematoma. So this is the dissecting hematoma. And then another one is having a connection between the arteriovenous aneurysms. So these are the 4 types of aneurysms. So, and according to the composition, it has having a 2, true aneurysm and false aneurysms. In true aneurysms, all layers will become thinned out. All layers will become thinned out. And then here what will be happening in this here, the false aneurysm, the tunica intima and media, both intima and media will be enlarged. So in adventitia, what is happened? The adventitia will be lined by the hematoma. So a tunica media and intima will be enlarged, and then here the adventitia will be lined by the hematoma formation. So this hematoma form, because of this hematoma formation, it may sometimes it may continue to enlarge, and it will be also pulsating also. So one thing, that is a thing. And it so what will be happening in this? This look like because of this tunica intima and media and or hematoma here, it will look like a big aneurysm. So it is called as a false aneurysm. So it composed of all components of the blood vessels. The blood vessels are composed of intima, media, adventitia. So there will be no tear, nothing can be seen, but only there will be a hematoma formation that is lined by the hematoma. Because of that, it will look like a enlargement. So it will be look like enlarged and pulsating also. So one more thing, what is it? According to the location, etiology, we are having atherosclerotic aneurysms, syphilitic aneurysm, dissecting hematoma, mycotic aneurysm and berry aneurysms we had seen. So in here location, when you see, so I'm told no location, here it will be, the aneurysm will be seen. So the aneurysm, this is an aorta, this is a descending aorta, so it is divided. This is right kidney, this artery is supplying to the right kidney, this artery is supplying to the left kidney. So your aneurysms can be seen here or here, so before the bifurcation. So that is the thing. Already know men's smokers 50 years above are rarely. Main cause it is because of atherosclerosis. So this origin is above the usually situated above the bifurcation of the arteries, bifurcation of the aorta, and it is a circular and fusiform type. And then it is a palpable and pulsating, it will look like a mass in the abdomen. So, and one more thing is a thoracic aortic aneurysm. So this thoracic aortic aneurysm, it is associated with the HT and syphilis. Syphilitic aneurysm is a syphilitic aneurysm because it's mostly seen in the ascending aorta. The intima will appear like a tree bark. So this is regarding this. Regarding aortic dissection, in next picture we'll see what is meant by the double barrel. So in aortic dissection, double barrel, so once the tear in the aortic wall, so once there is a tear in the aortic wall, the blood will enters from the lumen to the walls. So and again what will be happening here, it creates one pouch, it create one pouch in the walls and formation of double barrel. సో డబల్ బ్యారెల్ అని అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి బ్లడ్ ఫ్లో ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ నుంచి బ్లడ్ ఫ్లో ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఇక్కడ పెద్దగా దారి ఏమీ ఉండదు. సమ్ ఎక్స్టెంట్ మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ టేర్ అయిపోయి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, తర్వాత ఇక్కడ టేర్ అయిపోయి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ మధ్యలో ఒక బ్యారెల్ లాగా, ఒక వే లాగా ఫామ్ అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది, అందుకే దీన్ని డబల్ బ్యారెల్ అనేసి అంటారు. ఫాల్స్ బ్యారెల్ అని కూడా చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద డబల్ బ్యారెల్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి లూమెన్ నుంచి బ్లడ్ ఇక్కడ బ్లడ్ వాల్స్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, మళ్ళీ రిటర్న్లో ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ టేర్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇక్కడ ఒక బ్యారెల్, ఇక్కడ ఒకటి మెయిన్ రూట్ ఇది, ఇక్కడ ఒక బ్యారెల్ లాగా ఫామ్ అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు షో. జస్ట్ సీ.